Good morning. How are you? Great. I'm also fine. Thank you. I'm Bushra. Welcome to English class. In our last class, we have discussed the pronouns we and are. Today, we are going to learn the pronouns he and his. Okay, kids? Now, let's discuss where to use the pronoun he in detail. The pronoun he is used for a boy or a male in a singular sense. Understood? The pronoun he is used for a boy or a male in a singular sense. Okay? Let's see some examples to know more about it. Okay? This is Tintu. He is a good boy. He has a ball. This is Tintu. He is a good boy. He has a ball. Here you can see the pronoun he is used because Tindu is a boy, so the pronoun he is used. Now see this example. This is Tom. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He treats patients. This is Tom. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He treats patients. Here you can see Tom is a male. So the pronoun he is used. Okay, kids? Now let's move on to the pronoun his. The pronoun his is also used with a male word to show possession. Got it? The pronoun his is used with a male word to show possession. Now let's see some examples. This is Mohan. He is a policeman. This is his uniform. This is his car. His hat is blue. His shoes are black. This is Mohan. He is a policeman. This is his uniform. This is his car. His hat is blue. His shoes are black. Here you can see the pronoun his is used to show the possession of things. For example, his uniform, his car, his hat, his shoes. Right? Now I'll give you some sentences. You have to add correct pronoun. Okay? Dash is Balu. Dash is Balu. Which pronoun is correct here? He or his? Yes, he is Balu. Next, Dash is a student. Dash is a student. Great. He is a student. He is a student. This is Dash bat. This is Dash bat. Which one is correct here? He or his? Yes, excellent. His. This is his bat. Next, dash bat is small. Dash bat is small. Very good. His bat is small. His bat is small. Did you understand the pronoun he and his now? The pronoun he is a subjective pronoun and the pronoun his is a possessive pronoun and both represents a boy or a male. Understood? Now let me conclude for today. All of you practice and exercise the lessons he and his and finish your activities. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.